Om Shri Ganeshaya Namaha. Om Shri Saraswatyai Namaha. Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Hari Om. We are going through the series of events that we envision planning for marking Puja Gurudev's centennial celebrations. We as Hindus have been in this North American continent as pretty much a young crowd. Our history here may be about 45-50 years old. Though we have been here for 45-50 years and we have been quite a successful community, we are yet to put the effort in taking our identity to the local communities so that they can understand us better and the bridges be connected. And to communicate this better, what great event or an opportunity than to mark Puja Gurudev's birth centenary celebrations. We are still a minority, and our generation needs to take this responsibility in building these bridges with other communities so that there are healthy understanding. And we transcend from being a tolerant community to a loving, accepting community. And that can happen only when we educate as to who we are, what our practices are, what our traditions stand for, what are the significances, and what are the various in-depth philosophies that which has sustained us for generations. And this education process can happen as an interfaith dialogue, wherein we invite various religious leaders from other religious communities. And we title this program as Jnana Sangam, an education program wherein we can pick a topic, say on universal brotherhood, ecological system, or love, compassion. There are various topics to pick on. And each religious leader gets about 7 to 10 minutes to speak. The local acharya or the mission in charge can gather all the thoughts and make a concluding statement. And at the end, we can have about 15-20 minutes of Gurudev's talk on that particular topic. There is enough volumes of Gurudev's literature, Gurudev's DVDs and audio series from where we can gather Gurudev's insight into these various topics. Thus, thereby we can introduce Gurudev, his vision, his mission, and his standpoint on the universality of Hinduism, that we don't just tolerate other religions, but we accept and appreciate where they come from and what they stand for. And in turn or in return, we expect that acceptance for what we stand for as a Hindu brotherhood. That when we are accepted into the community with this understanding, we only are an active ingredient, a positive contribution to the entire community. So let us take this opportunity to mark Gurudev's 100th year and to reach across to our own local communities and put an effort. Though this will be an initial effort, it would be a first step towards various such dialogues, so that our next generations would have an atmosphere of acceptance and love, so that they feel the pride in continuing their traditions and sustaining their culture. So let us make this event of observing Puja Gurudev's 100th birthday, the centennial celebrations, a grand success by inviting others to participate in our joy and share our joy with them. So this will be called Jnana Sangam. Hope in each center we can organize this and make this event a grand success. Hari Om.